इस वीडियो में हम लोग बनाएंगे फ्रूट बास्केट। देखते हैं कैसे बनेगा। प्रेस कंट्रोल एन एंड सेलेक्ट पार्ट, गो टू फ्रंट प्लेन, select sketch and draw two circles, change diameter, type 110 and second one is 105. Exit from sketch. Now click on extrude, select mid plane and time 190. Click on OK. Now select right plane, press space bar to make it normal, and now select 3-point arc and draw from here to here. OK. Now go to offset and select offset. Click on reverse and type 5 mm. Make sure you have selected cap end. Now click on OK. So go to feature and click on extruded cut. Select mid plane and now make sure you have selected flip side to cut. Now go to sketch, select 3D sketch, select this edge, click on convert entity. Now select this object and hide it. Go here, feature, shaped, and now select circular profile, click on sketch and type 3 mm. Click on OK. So now select top plane, sketch, press spacebar, make it normal, and draw a line from here to here. And now change the dimension 145. Now click on line and convert in construction geometry. So click on OK. Now go to front plane, select reference plane. Now click on this point. So I have created a new plane. Select this new plane and select right plane. Go to axis and click on axis. Now click OK. So hide this plane and now I have an axis. So select circular pattern and now select axis and here click on body and select this body, type 30. It's okay. Click on OK. Now you can see this is looking like this. So select top plane. Now click on reference geometry, type 52.5 and click on OK. Now select plane 2, click on sketch and draw a circle. OK. Select point and place a point on circle anywhere. OK. So exit from sketch. Now hide this plane and hide this circular pattern and now select reference plane. Select this circle and point. So I have created curve and point plane. Select plane, press spacebar to make it normal. And now go here and select polygon and I have created a hexagon. So change circle diameter 5 mm. Now select circle and draw a circle from here to here. Okay, now select this circle, go and select circular sketch pattern and type 6, enter, click on OK. Now trim entities and trim all unnecessary entities. So select this red point and delete it. Okay, now select this and click in construction geometry. Okay, now click on OK. So now select circular pattern and show it. Go here and select swept. Now select this profile and circle as guide. So select circle. Now go to options. Select specified twist. Select revolution and type 6 number of twist. So click on OK. It may take some time, so wait. So now select top plane. Now go to reference plane and flip offset 52.5. It's okay. So now I have created a plane and click on sketch, select normal view and draw a circle approx. Okay, now click on OK. Go here and click on extrude and extrude up to 5 mm. So it's okay. Click on OK. Now select, click on this arrow and select sketch. Again click on extrude and now click on reverse direction and click on thin feature, type 2 mm and here select 2 direction. So 2 directions, select mid plane. So you can see what is happening here. Click on OK. So it may take some time. So feature has been added and now go here, select fillet, type 1 mm radius and select this face. Click on OK. So fillet has been added, and now you can see this is final object. Click on axis and hide it. Go here and select any color. Maybe plastic. Okay, now select color and click on part. So you can see it may wood also. So go here, minimize it, click on wood, click on oak, apply and close. Here red color has been applied. So now you can see this is our final object. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and take care.